If you can explain one topic clearly, you don't need any fancy equipment, a big personality, or years of experience. Most people tend to think that you need to be an expert, a YouTuber, or a tech person to teach online. Well, actually, you don't. What you actually need is one topic which you understand slightly better than a beginner. In this video, I will show you, step by step, how to choose a teachable topic, how to set up your channel the right way, and how to create your first teaching video without any stress or fancy equipment. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what to do to start a YouTube teaching channel from scratch, even if you have never posted a video before. Welcome to Teach to Earn, an educational video series dedicated to helping teachers, educators, and subject matter experts earn income by teaching on YouTube. Teach to Earn is hosted by Old School PowerPoint Lessons, a beginner-friendly YouTube channel dedicated to simple online lessons using traditional PowerPoint presentations, with no AI gimmicks or flashy shortcuts. Without any further ado, let's begin the lesson for today. How to earn income from teaching on YouTube, Part 4. How to create a YouTube teaching channel, step by step. Before we proceed, all viewers are reminded that this educational video is produced purely for the purpose of information sharing only. This channel assumes no responsibility for errors or omissions in the content, or for any damages arising from the use of the information provided. Any links to external websites are provided for convenience and do not imply any endorsement. This channel is not responsible for the accuracy, reliability, or content of any third-party websites. Why do teaching channels work? Teaching channels work because YouTube is not just an entertainment platform. It is a search engine for learning. Every day, people search for how to. Explain this simply. And YouTube actively promotes content that keeps people learning. If you can teach clearly, consistently, and honestly, YouTube will work with you, not against you. What actually makes teaching channels grow? Here's an important mindset shift. Teaching channels don't grow because of flashy editing, viral tricks, or clickbait titles. They grow because of clarity and trust. If viewers feel that this person can explain things clearly, they will come back, subscribe, and recommend your videos. That's your real advantage as a teacher. Step 1. Find a teachable topic. Let's start with your topic. A good teaching topic is not something that you are a world expert in. It is something that you understand slightly better than a beginner. Ask yourself, what do people ask me for help with? What did I struggle to learn in the past? What can I explain step by step? Some examples might be basic maths, language learning, software tutorials, study methods, job skills, hobbies or tools that you use daily. If you can explain it clearly, it is teachable. For more ideas on how to find a teachable topic, kindly refer to Part 2 and Part 3 of this video series in the playlist. Step 2. Validate your topic. Before you overthink it, do this simple check. Go to YouTube and type your topic into the search bar. If YouTube auto-suggests related searches, that means that people are already looking for it. Then click a few videos. Are they confusing? Too long? Too advanced? If you think that you could explain this more clearly, then that's your opportunity. Step 3. Set up your teaching channel. Now, your channel setup. Keep it simple. Channel name, clear and topic-based. Profile picture, your face or a clean logo. About section. What you teach and who you can help. You do not need branding perfection. You just need clarity. Your channel should answer one question instantly. What can I learn here? Step 4. Equipment you actually need. Let me save you money. To start, you just need a smartphone or a basic camera. Clear audio. Even a phone mic is okay. A room with good lighting from a window. And that's it. Don't wait for perfect gear. Teaching quality matters more than production quality. Step 5. Plan your first teaching video. Your first video should be simple and focused. Structure it like this. What you will learn. Step-by-step explanation. Simple recap. Teach one thing only. Do not try to impress. Try to be understood. Step 6. Record, upload, publish. Now comes the hardest part. Pressing upload. You don't need to be perfect. You need to be useful. Your first video will not be your best, and that's normal. Every teaching channel improves by doing, not by waiting. Upload. Learn. Improve. How teaching channels make money. Let's talk briefly about monetization. Teaching channels earn money by YouTube ads, courses, digital products, memberships, and brand partnerships. Kindly refer to Part 1 for more details on YouTube monetization methods. But monetization comes after trust. Focus first on teaching well. Income follows clarity and consistency. If you have been thinking about starting a teaching channel, here is a quick recap. Pick one topic. Record one video. Upload, publish, and start helping people. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please feel free to hit the like button and share with your friends. If you have any feedback to contribute, please feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section. If you find this video useful and want to stay up to date with all future uploads, please feel free to subscribe to this channel. Last but not least, stay cheerful, have fun, and see you in the next video.